Hello, Namaste, welcome. I am Samiksha Arora, Director at EMC Cradle, and today I have with me Dr. Rishabh Arora, Director EMC Group of Hospitals, and we are here to talk about the new venture of EMC Group of Hospitals, which is called EMC Cradle. EMC Cradle is a specialty mother and child care unit which is there to cater to all your needs from maternity to beauty to child care. So, Dr. Rishabh, please tell us a little bit about EMC Cradle, the unique infrastructure that we are offering, and what is it about the quality of care at EMC Cradle that makes it so unique and one of a kind hospital in Amritsar.
Hello everyone. So EMC Cradle is situated at B Block, Ranjit Avenue. It's a boutique hospital, and we are providing very high-end services with high-end equipments there, because it's a newly opened center and all the machinery is newly placed, high-end ultrasound machines, and good infrastructure, ICU facility, NICU-PICU facility. So it's a good boutique hospital.
Absolutely. Since the main department at such a center is going to be gynecology and obstetrics, please highlight all the services that are being offered under this department for all our patients.
So gynecology, when we come to gynecology, we have very senior gynecologists available with us who will be counseling the patients also. अगर उनको कोई डेफिशिएंसीज हैं, उनको कंसीव करने में कोई प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है, बिकॉज सबसे बड़ा इशू आज की जनरेशन में, बिकॉज अडल्ट्रेशन इज देयर एंड एनवायरमेंटल चेंजेस आर देयर, तो जो प्रेगनेंसी है दैट इज द वेरी बिगेस्ट इशू. सो आवर गायनेक्स विल बी काउंसलिंग द पेशेंट्स सो दैट दे कैन कंसीव द चाइल्ड बाय नेचुरल वेज. अगर वो नहीं होता, देयर आर अदर सोल्यूशंस आल्सो. वी आर गिविंग हेयर IUIs, and अगर वो भी नहीं हो पाता, then we've come to IVF, because we have very high-end IVF lab here available. So it's a happy movement center, and we would love कि आप आएं और ये facility avail करें and अपनी family आगे continue करें.
Okay. What are the kind of facilities that we are offering for all the newborn babies and for children? Please tell us about that.
So for newborn babies, many times क्या होता है कि जैसे ही बेबी होता है उसको जॉन्डिस होता है, तो उसके लिए हमने एक NICU बनाया है which is well equipped, and there are well trained and senior neonatologists available with us 24/7. तो आके वहाँ एडमिट होते हैं, बिकॉज इट्स अ वन हाउस थिंग. बेसिकली होता है कि डिलीवरी हुई, बेबी को कहीं और शिफ्ट कर दिया जाता है, एंड ड्यूरिंग दैट शिफ्टिंग एनीथिंग कैन अकर. सो इन वन हाउस अंडर वन रूफ वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग ऑल सर्विसेज, मदर से लेके बेबी तक, जिसमें हम उसका प्रॉपर ट्रीटमेंट कर सकते हैं.
तो पीडियाट्रिक सर्विसेज भी क्या यहाँ पे पूरी तरह से अवेलेबल रहेंगी EMC क्रेडल में?
यस, पीडियाट्रिक सर्विसेज ऑल्सो पूरी तरह से अवेलेबल रहेंगी, बिकॉज आउटर पार्ट से और विद इन द सिटी हमें रात को बहुत ही कॉल्स आती हैं, बिकॉज हम ऑलरेडी टर्शरी केयर के पायनियर हैं with the God's grace, and now we are into this NICU-PICU and delivery thing, pregnancy thing. So रात को बहुत कॉल्स आते हैं, एंड हम नहीं चाहते कि हमारा सिटी का कोई अगर बच्चा है वो बाहर जाए, बिकॉज रात के टाइम कोई भी पेशेंट को नहीं लेता. सो we are providing 24/7 PICU facility also.
Okay, let's talk about the tagline, which is from pregnancy to perfection. So for a woman, what are the kind of cosmetic procedures that you're offering at EMC Cradle?
So from pregnancy to perfection, we are offering very good facilities to pamper the females for their mental well-being and their peace of mind. We are providing here Botox facilities, all implant facilities, all type of plasties we are doing here. So it will be a female center, female oriented center, where they can come and park their car. There's no problem for parking, and they can avail the facility here.
Okay. What are the facilities which are specific to counseling and nutrition for women available at EMC Cradle?
So when it comes to counseling, so your neuropsychiatry department should be very strong, because a woman has undergone through so many stresses during their pregnancy. So they need a good counseling from a neuropsychiatrist for their well-being and for their peace of mind.
Okay, thank you so much. EMC Cradle is open at Ranjit Avenue, Amritsar, and you're welcome to visit with your family and plan your family there. Thank you.
Thank you.